I want a divorce.
What?
He's been working on a new book. How long's it been?
4 years. It's been 4 years.
Gene O'Hara, your new book. It's about a serial killer. I'm the person for the job. I'm a retired serial killer.
What the How's this gonna work?
I'm going to teach you what killers do.
So you'll be like a counselor.
Who are you?
Well, I'm a counselor.
I'm sorry, I was not expecting my husband to bring a marriage counselor to our home.
A marriage counselor? Okay, then. You are in a safe zone. Shall we begin?
It actually makes sense. They say that most killings of women were done by someone that they know.
How was your day?
Maybe he thinks I'm trying to kill him.
What do you mean by that?
Tick. Tock. Tick. Am I gonna die? Tock. Tick. Will I survive? Tock. Tick. You, Tock, are going, tick, to die. Tock. Okay, I think we can wrap up today's session.
Wait, what just happened?
They would kill each other for the film rights for this.
Film rights.
They didn't know what to say. Up comes potatoes.
What are you talking about?
Marriage is a living organism. It can grow or die.
This will be the best thing I have ever written. I even thought of a title.
What is it? Nice.
Yeah.
Smooth.
Yeah.